Every now and then a business comes along that commands attention from genuine buyers looking for a solid, well-established business with strong growth potential. Hi, my name is Peter Nola from ABC Business Sales, and this long-established business has locations across the country and specialises in the sales, repair and support of mobile phone, tablet and computer technology. The owner is now looking to move on and he has made the business for sale for the very first time. Fully documented systems will ensure a smooth running business. The strong management team and loyal, long-serving staff will aid a seamless transition to a new owner and enable the business to operate without direct supervision from the owner. With multiple locations across New Zealand, there are huge growth opportunities via franchising and/or joint ventures for future outlets. This is a significant service, supply and distribution business. It is proven with strong profits, products and great supply lines. I'm Peter Nola. Don't miss out, call me now. The hard work is done, the future is bright, and this business is waiting for a new owner with energy and drive to grow the business even further.